Hello, Ballinger Creek families. We come to you with this newsletter at the midterm of our first quarter of the school year. Thank you so much for everything you are doing in supporting your child in continuing their education. We truly could not do this without you. Now more than ever is a time when our community can come together with all of us and support each other and support our children. That's why we're excited to share with you information in the newsletter about conferences. Parent-teacher conferences always have been a time where we could come together as a school and home community and connect and talk about your child and which programs best will enrich their educational opportunities. While some things may look so different during this time, there are always still things that remain. That's one of them. So we do hope that you'll take some time to read through the information about our virtual conferences and that you will sign up for a time to connect with the teachers here at Ballinger Creek. It's a time when we can truly listen to what's going well in your home, what challenges you're experiencing. Your child's teacher has lots of information they've been gathering about your child that they would like to share, and we can strengthen our partnerships and our service for our children during this time. We appreciate you, we appreciate the kids at Ballinger Creek, and we're really looking forward to being able to connect with each other during the month of October so we can strengthen those bonds and continue to serve our children's education. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.